Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback Mini rear mud flaps on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, locate and remove the factory screws on the inner wheel well. Next, we must cut the liner to ensure a proper fit. Position your mud flap so that the ear of the mud flap tucks behind the lip of the wheel well as shown. As you can see, the inner liner comes to a curve on its underside, which causes the mud flap ear to not sit flush. Using a marker, mark the areas on both sides of the mud flap as shown. Then with scissors or another cutting tool, cut the liner on both sides of the ear to allow the flap to sit flush along the liner. Once the cut has been made, remove the excess liner. Next, using the supplied washers and screws, loosely install the mud flap to the factory holes. While doing this, ensure that the ear of the mud flap tucks behind the lip of the wheel well as shown. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once satisfied with the position, tighten the fasteners to secure the flap into place. Using a 1/4 inch bit, drill through the ear and liner as shown. Then install the ear to the liner using a stainless bolt and washer and secure it with a stainless washer, lock washer, and nut. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.